What's up guys, and welcome back to Tech Plant. Today I've got a quick PSA about the Purple Oxalis. Let's check it out. I've made videos about this plant in the past, but everyone always asks where can they get it, when can they get it. Well, now is the time. Because St. Patrick's Day is coming up soon, every grocery store and other plant stores are carrying this plant because its common name is a shamrock plant. So it's kind of themed similar to kind of Christmas cactuses during Christmas and other like seasonal plants. So these are out everywhere, so if you've always wanted one, go search your stores now. I'm always happy to see this plant and its other versions. I might go back and pick those up too, just because I want the whole collection. But anyways guys, if you want this plant, now's the time to go out and get it, because if you don't now, a good chance you won't see it until the next year. I know you guys are like me, and if you go to buy one plant, you gotta buy more, so here's some other plants I picked up while I was there. Once I saw this Pilea Depressa, I had to pick it up. It was tiny, cheap, and it has just a nice color, and I can't wait to kind of grow this out. I think you can kind of turn these into a hanging basket, but I just like the tiny petals, and again, the green color is really unique. They also had a ripple Pepperomia. They had both the red and the green version, but I prefer this more red version with this kind of silverish ripple part. I think it's really awesome, and the texture on it is really something pretty unique, and I just like them a lot. This one luckily is like 3 different growth points, so I might try and propagate it. If you like textured leaves, this is definitely a plant for you because the grooves are super deep and it's very firm. It's just a really nice leaf and a really nice plant. And if you're not a fan of the red version, there is a more green version. Lastly, I got this little gem off the clearance rack for $1.49. This is a Fairy Castle Cactus, and you can really see why it has that name. The tight growth pattern of this really resembles some sort of castle. It almost kind of looks like maybe the Disney castle or something. Really cool, really awesome, and I definitely would pick this up again for $1.49. I mean, you really can't beat that. Well guys, that sums up this video. I hope you can find one in your location. Again, this is a good time of year to get it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, may your plants grow strong and healthy. I'll see you next time.